The knowledge, one of the most prestigious tests in the world. Only the elite manage to pass. Anyone can attempt the test. Only few manage to pass and are able to drive the iconic Black Cab. The knowledge involves an intimate understanding of all of London, the main roads, the back roads and the side roads. Most London cabbies can be found outside large stations such as St Pancras, Liverpool Street or Fenchurch Street. They pick up people and drop them all over London.
There's a real lot to learn. Places of interest, hotels, hospitals. It certainly keeps you busy.
When picking customers up, they could be asked to be dropped around the corner or on the other side of London. What's the best thing about being a cabbie?
Yeah, most black cabbies like a good chat and a laugh, and they have a good sense of humour normally.
A meter is fitted in each cab. It measures the fares distance and times it against the set charge. Depending on the company you work for, the set charge could be less than £1 or as high as £4.50. Depends on the time of day the cabbie works. They normally get to see the best and worst sides of the public. What is the best time to work?
Yeah, most people, like myself, either go out early in the morning or late at night to miss all the commuters and all the traffic.
Tourist locations are where cabbies pick up most. Big Ben and Trafalgar Square. Tourists from all over the world can be found in these locations. Tourists often ask to be driven around the main tourist locations. How did you learn the knowledge?
Mopeds are the most common vehicle used by people learning the knowledge. They're affordable compared to other forms of transport, and you need to be able to get around the city quickly and efficiently, and it's the best way to do it, definitely.
What are the types of badges?
Yeah, there's two types of London cabbies. There's the All London cabbage, which holds a green badge, and they're the ones that have done all of London knowledge. On average, it takes about 3.5 years to learn the knowledge, so they've done a lot of work. The yellow badge is split up into sections, and it's a suburb one. Doesn't take so long to do because it's covering a much smaller area.
Cabbies transport city workers and tourists. Cabbies often queue outside hotels such as the Ritz and the Savoy. Do they need sat-navs?
Black cabs don't really have to use tom-toms and sat-nav because they just drive purely on knowledge. The most efficient route, the quickest route, shortest route, A to B, is the best thing for the driver and the best thing for the customer.
Tubes and London buses are getting more and more efficient, but there is still a huge demand for London cabbies.
Black cabs ain't just normal taxis which provide a service. Each cab has its own character and quirks, unlike station cabs that you see driving around locally.